Swinginimus! Welcome back, guys, to another unboxing with your host, Scott. So, today we got something that I wear pretty much every single day. Can you guys guess what it is? I know you probably saw the title. You cheaters. Just kidding. Can't really cheat if you stumble on a title. But this is a hat. But this is not just your everyday typical hat, though. So, all right, let's see. First, we'll show you guys what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. So it's a nice white hat. It's got a little weight to it versus, actually not too big of a difference. Go ahead and put it on. See how it looks. Obviously, it's gonna have to be shaped a little bit here, adjusted a little bit, but that's how it looks on. Now, this is a little different than your typical hat. So, if you press the button on the back, it lights up. We're gonna show you guys in the dark here in a minute. All right, guys, so check this out. So this is the hat in a semi-dark room. So, pretty awesome. And you guys can change the colors and everything, the different effects of it. So on the back, pressing a button, you just change everything instantly. You can keep a color. So you got all these different colors you can select. Now, of course, my camera's not going to do justice. The color looks way better in person. But it is pretty awesome, guys.